Is your business Flintstones or Jetsons? What's up, guys? It's Fuego with a P, and welcome to Build, Hire, Fire. This channel is dedicated to helping business owners design their business to run without them in 3 simple steps. Build systems, hire a team, and then fire yourself. So all the content that we'll produce here is going to be around one of those 3 topics. So if you are an entrepreneur that's wearing all the hats in your business, get subscribed now, because the content that we put out is really going to help you to gradually start to take those hats off and give them off to other people. We also have a private Facebook group that you can join and connect with other owners just like you. And I also share a lot of free content there that I might not share here on YouTube. So get subscribed and click the link in the bio to join our Facebook group. Business systems are sweet, sweet science. You capture the system, the people run the system, systems run the business, and the business delivers the product or service and the promise to its consumers. I'm going to share a metaphor with you today that it might give away my age a little bit, but it will help to create an image in your mind of what a business with systems and a business without systems looks like. Back in the day, there were these 2 cartoons, the Flintstones and the Jetsons. And from now on, I'm just going to call them the Stones and the Jets, just to keep it really simple. There were 2 families based in 2 different ages of time. The Stones were based in the Stone Age, a more modern Stone Age. And the Jets were based in the very, very distant future where, you know, we lived in space and drove around in spaceships and things like that. What I want to focus on mainly are their modes of transportation. So the Stones drove around in cars. They were cars. I would imagine the wheel had just been invented and just been implemented like into their lives. But the car was designed in a very particular way. You got into it, you put your feet on the ground, and in order to propel the car forward or get to your destination, wherever you do, you had to literally pedal, 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 and then it would go. And if it's anything like a bike, I'm going to imagine that after a while you lose momentum and then you have to pedal some more to keep going. The Jets, it was more a few button clicks, and then they were off to wherever they were going. They'd sit back and relax and things like that. In this metaphor, you are the driver of, you're either the Stone or the Jets. Your vehicle is going to be your business, and your destination will probably be your vision. With the Stones, if the driver did not put its feet on the ground, the car wouldn't go anywhere. Everything that the Stones had to do as far as their vehicle goes was manual, and without them, the vehicle could not do anything. And the Jets, a few clicks of the button, they almost didn't even have to drive. They just kind of sat back, and then the vehicle would go to where it needed to go. So the Jets are obviously the business with systems, and the Stones are the business without systems. If you don't have systems in your business, every single thing relies on you. You are the bottleneck in your business, and that's a good and a bad thing. The bad thing is if you have to take a break or a vacation, or God forbid something happens, essentially your business stops because you're not the one putting your feet on the ground, pedaling, and then going forward. The Jets are a business with systems, and those few buttons that they push in the beginning are the systems, and then the machine does the rest. And there are times when you may have to do some maintenance and things like that, but at the end of the day, the Jets have it set up to where it's very minimal input, you know, required from the owner or the driver. And that's where I want you to get in your business. I want you to be able to input a few things, and then your business, you know, propels or rockets to the destination or the vision that you have for it. There's nothing wrong with being a Stone. Being a Stone is a good place to be, because you can't appreciate being a Jet until you have been a Stone. So wherever you lie on that spectrum, Jetson, Flintstone, I want to help you get to a point where you start to capture your systems, you start to implement your systems, you start to hire people to run those, and then you start to back away from having to run your business every single day. You should be able to oversee your business, maybe even hire a CEO to run the business, because you have it packaged up in a way that is easy to follow. You create manuals and SOPs, and you don't need to have 100 different SOPs and 100 different manuals. You just need to focus on the key money-making systems in your business, the things that really make the dollars or the sales happen in the business. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.